Now let's understand how can you do the designing of cards in different types of invitation cards or greeting cards or any type of card. So suppose I'm going to create a card on Father's Day or Mother's Day. So first of all, you can give a page color. Okay, now let's search a image. Now we will understand today how to download different types of images and how can we use them on page. So first of all, I am just downloading a simple floral borders. Floral borders PNG. PNG means a type. PNG is the type of image which is not having any background in at the back. So image, once you will open an image, if there is checkboxes, if the checkboxes will appear in the background, then it is a PNG image. If the checkboxes will not appear, then it's not a PNG image. So there is no checkboxes in this image. And if the checkboxes are coming before opening the image, then also it is not a PNG image. Let's check this one. No checkboxes are coming. Hmm. Let's check this one. No. Check this one. No. 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 Floral border PNG transparent. Floral border PNG. Okay, now the checkboxes are coming at the back of this image. It means it's a PNG image. You can copy it. You can paste it in MS Word. And as you can see, there is no background in the image. So simply because it's already a circular, this image is already in a circular fashion, you can increase the size of this image. So for that, we have to reduce the margins first. So go to customize custom margins and make it 0 from all the sides, top, bottom, left, and right. So that image could be fit on the screen. Now also again you have to shift it from the ruler because this is not the end of the page. Similarly from right hand side, from top also, and from bottom also. Now you can adjust your image on your whole screen. like this. I'll show you after reducing the size also, so that you will be able to understand it but in a better way how it is coming. So this is how it is coming on a page. Now you can type anything inside this. How can we type? Go to the insert tab, go to shapes and use text box. Now you can insert a text box here in between, but now the text box is coming in white color and it will definitely not look better. If I wanted to create a greeting card, then it will not look good. So how can we do that change? Go to the format tab, choose fill shape, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Now you can write whatever you want to write. And change the font, color, size in whatever way you want. Like this, you can do the changes and you can create a greeting card. So you, if you want to write anything inside a picture, inside a on the page, then you have to insert a text box. And how can we insert a text box? You can go to page layout, sorry, you can go to insert, you can go to shapes and then choose text box from here. Draw the text box on your screen and then you can start the typing. Now let's see. I'm going to delete it. Now suppose you are going to create a card for your father. This is also not a PNG image. Mm, okay, now let's father and child PNG. Now these are the different types of pictures you can insert, and these you need to check whether the pictures are PNG or not. So let's say I wanted to check this one. No, this is not a PNG image, but I'll definitely I'll also show you how can you convert this type of image into a PNG image. Let's find out a PNG image first. Okay, this one is a PNG image because the checkboxes are coming at the back after opening. So copy it and paste it. Now I wanted to shift this image maybe at the bottom of my screen. So I cannot shift it like this. So I have to right click on the image, go to wrap text and choose behind the text so that you can write it over also. Now you can place it wherever you want it to place, maybe in the center or maybe on at the bottom or on the left hand side or right hand side, wherever you want it to place. You can increase the size and you can do any type of editing. Now let's convert a normal image into a PNG image. Let's say this one. I wanted, like suppose you have your own picture and you wanted to convert it into a PNG image. So how can we do that? Copy the image, paste it. Okay. There are few images on Google which you cannot directly use. So it means you need to save them first. Save image. I am going to save it on the desktop. Copy this now and paste it in MS Word. Okay, so this is the image. First, this image is very big in size. So I need to reduce the size. So you can go to the format tab and you can set the height and width. Height I want as 5 and width I want as 3. So now this is the image. Now I wanted to remove this white background from this image and I wanted to keep only the image. So you can go to the format tab and this feature is available in 2010 Office and more than 2010, the latest versions of MS Office 2010. Now the pink area, as soon as you will select this, the pink area will automatically get deleted from your image and you will left with only this portion. If you want to do some changes, you can also do those changes with the help of mark the areas to keep. Suppose मुझे इस area में से कुछ portion चाहिए, so that I can mark with the help of this. I'll also show you how can you do that. So now see, this is a PNG image now. We have converted into a PNG image. Now I'm taking one more image. Let's say with some background also. Copy, paste. Again, we need to save it. Now let's remove the background from this image. Go to Format tab, go to Page, remove background. Now here the background is not proper. So the pink area means it will get deleted. So we have to do some changes. I wanted to keep this area. I wanted to keep this area. This one also. This area. This one. This one. This portion. Okay, rest and this one. Okay, rest everything is fine. So we can click on keep changes. Okay, now I also want to delete this area. So remove background again. Now mark the areas which you want to remove. So I wanted to delete this area. This one also. This one. This one. This. This. And this one. Okay. But this one is also pink, so we have to do the changes. Mark the area which we want to keep, this portion, and mark this one as I want to delete. All right, now everything is fine. Keep changes. So now this is a picture which we have made. We have made this picture as a GIF picture, and we have converted a normal image into a GIF image with no background. So you can convert a normal image into a GIF image like this. And if you want to use it as for your greeting card, you can shift the image. You can change the size of the image. You can make it a bigger one. You can give a proper position wherever you wanted to place this image. And then using a text box, you can, like suppose this is a picture of yours as a kid, as a child, and now this is your current picture, and you wanted to insert two text boxes. So you can go to insert, you can go to shape, and you want to write something for your father related to this picture here. Then you can write, choose shape fill as no fill, shape outline as no outline. You can also change the background and make it more beautiful. Go to in go to page layout. You can go to page color. Instead of giving a single color, you can also give effects to your color, two colors, maybe this one and with white in a diagonal way. So like this, you can do the changes on your page, whatever the way you want. And here you can insert another text box and you can write your content there also. So this is how you can create your own greeting cards for your parents, for your brothers, sisters, and everyone. So I hope it is clear to everyone how you can do the designing of the greeting cards, any type of greeting cards, how we can convert a normal image into a PNG image. PNG images are those images which are not having any background.